Okay, let's go.
They're playing cricket there. I think this is our stop. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, bless you.
Bless me.
You okay? Ayan yung sinakyan namin. Yeah.
I just sneezed.
Hi, Ella. Did you enjoy that? Yeah. It was fun. Sabi ko kay Ellen, you remember this bit? Tapos, sabi din ni tatay, remember this bit? Sabi ko, stop copying what I said to Ella. Tuwing meron akong sasabihin kay Ella, ulitin niya yung sinabi ko, hindi pala niya narinig. Ano mga flats dito, nakikita niyo ba? Yan, mga flats. Mahal sigurado dyan.
Dad said I need to ask you so I can do the crab thing.
Why?
I don't know. I already said I already asked you, and you said to ask him.
Well, we don't know where it is, first of all. Where do you...
You should buy them something.
No, where do you do that? Do you need to... What is what? Ask Dad how to do that. I don't know.
There was a sign saying crab here.
Okay, let's see. When we go back. Or
There's
if we
a
see
crab
something
in a
here.
bucket. Have a soap.
Okay. Gusto daw niya gawin yung crab. Doon kami nagpunta doon eh. You remember that Prince William? We had a drink there. Uy, come on. Naiinis siya doon sa buhok niya. Si Ella nang uungot, na gusto daw niyang gawin yung ginagawa nila, yung nakakakuha ng ng crab. Pero ibabalik mo yung crab. You're not allowed to bring it with you. Ano lang, parang laro, parang ganun. It is. Ella. Yeah. George. Maano yung ano sa kanya. Ay, tingnan natin. Tinutulungan sila. So, diyan ka kukuha ng ng crab. Pupunta na lang yung crab sa'yo. Doon. Kasi may bait. Ang bait daw bacon. Yala! Don't do that.
I thought your dad was drop.
Go!
Drop. That's the one. Wait for it to just sit and let your line go down until it's like you don't want it to tight, you want it to tap on bottom.
Buhok ko yun. Ano ba?
With that,
So naglagay lang dun sa supot na maliit. naglagay lang ng supot doon, ay, ng ano, ng bacon doon sa loob. Tapos hayaan lang daw dyan. Kasi may, bigla na lang yan, mga 10 to 15 minutes, baka sakaling may kumagat. Yun. Ayun yung tali, oh. Ayun yung tali. Are you happy now? Are you happy now? Sabi niya, tuwing nagtatanong daw siya kay tatay, no, no, no. O ngayon, yes na.
You always said it, never gonna do it.
Oh, masaya na siya.
Do you think we're gonna catch any seagulls?
Probably not. They're flying, silly. Look, 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 look.
Look, they're in the water. Look, they're not. They're flying, but they're in the water. They're water seagulls. Yeah.
So, intay-intay lang kami. Mga 10 to 15 minutes daw ayun sa tatay. Oh, ayan, masaya na siya. Nagawa niya rin yung gusto niya.
Annoying
Sayang! Right. Leave it for 10 minutes.
We're gonna pull up the basket when I get dizzy. And it might die. It might die.
Ano?
What?
Nakalagay doon, nandun daw yung crab. Okay, crabbing here.
That's why we're here.
1
Maybe
hour
it's
maximum.
There's rules. Put it back. 1 hour only.
Yeah. Ayan, yung may rules. Kanina meron 3 times, so tapos hindi naman siya sumupunta dun, nagsushoot dun sa basket. Talaga, nakakabuisit. Kaya lumipat kami. Ayun, may mga nagka-crabbing dun.
Okay, pull it up.
Sige, go.
Please be lucky.
No. Wala pa din. Yung toilet dito. Sa may Thai restaurant. Entrance. Tapos ay yung magbibigyan
May air freshener.
sabit.
Oh, I love those shells.
Tignan mo, may mga sabit-sabit na shells. Ganyan. Ito yung papasok sa toilet. Maliit lang siya. Ayan, tingnan niyo.
They're like wind chimes, but made out of shells.
Tapos, ang cute, oh. Ayan, oh. Tapos may mga ano siya. May mga perfume doon kung gusto mong gamitin. Ang galing.
Mama, what's that?
Cute. Ay. Ang ganda ng tree pinicturean ko eh. Ay nilang umalis. Napindot ko tuloy. Ooh, look at that. Oh, sige, we go here first. We also have picture here. If I'm not mistaken, we got picture here, Ella. Oh, what's that, babe? Oh, it's apple. Green apple.
Yeah. There was one in that bucket.
Ang galing ng garden nila. Kanilang garden. Alam mo, parang secret garden kasi naka-ano siya. Naka-close siya ng ano. Para siyang maze. Ayan, tingnan niyo yung apple.
Can you eat these?
I guess so. Is it for cooking or is it for just for eating?
Are these
That's the
apples
question.
edible?
Dito tayo, pasok tayo dito. Tapos nang tayo lumabas sa kabila. Nalalaglag lang yung mga apple, kita nyo. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross siya, cross. Hi!
Mama, smell.
What?
Smell mints.
May mint daw doon, mint.
This is a nice mint. This is Dada said this is a nice one. This is the weird one. I like spearmint. That one I can't really smell.
Mmm.
That's a weird mint.
Mmm. Smells nice. I did.
Smell this one. I like spearmint.
Yeah. Bango.
Nah, spearmint's the best.
Pasok na naman tayo dun sa isa pang garden. Ayan. Ayun yung isa. Boop. Yun. Nagme-message si Kuya Epi. What is it?
Scalonias will look behind that tree.
Ah, ayan. Nagme-message si Kuya Epi. Oh, Diyos ko, bakit kaya?
Have we got that?
Takot na kapag
There's
nag-message
so
yung
many
mga
bees
to.
on this plant. Look how many bees are on this
I
plant.
know. Ganda
I'm
rin
guessing
dito.
honeybees love bees.
Well, that's going to think.
Maybe we
May
should
ano
get
dun,
some.
oh.
We're gonna-
May water
Maybe we
feature.
should
Ang
get
ganda
some
ng
so
water
there's more
feature.
bumblebees.
Ang ganda ng water feature. Ayan, oh. Water feature.
I like this.
Gusto ko mag-picture dito. Sandali lang. Ito yung isa pa na may picture din kami dito ni Ella. Nag-picture kami ni Ella. Another, may mga, kumaga, may mga miniature garden sila. Galing. Ang cute nito. Hello. Miniature garden. Ganda. (2024) pala kami nagpunta dito. Hi, mother and child. Ito oh. Ayan. Ayan. Mag-picture ako dito eh. Ng mother and child. Sandali lang ha. Ang ganda eh. Some water. Careful. Hey!
It's cold. It's not actually that cold.
Na,
Nah.
ang video yun natin. Ngayon si Dada.
I thought I did.
I wanna do it.
I'll video you.
Hang on.
Don't splash me. You're gonna splash me.
Ella, take a picture of me. Pause it.
Your phone is so light.
Take a picture, dali. Take a picture of us.
I like the feeling of the water. Where's that a bit though?
Over there. But wait, going back. Careful, ha?
Not that cold. That is like freezing. I don't think it's that cold.
Ganda, oh.
Picture.
Hang on. Ganda dito. Alam mo yung batis? Yun siya, batis. Batis. No, Dada went back.
Oh. Where are we going?
Probably we're going to that place that we need to walk. Ang ganda dun. Siguro pwede maligo dun, no?
straight down there, straight down there.
Those are the horses. Look at the horses. Hello, ganda ng mga horses. Oh. Hello.
Hi, horsey, horsey. Wait. Oh my god. Hi. Flies on you. What did it? Flies on you.
What did you do? Ganda dito, grabe.
This is nice. I love it here. I like the horses.
Ito pala yung tamang ito yung tamang pupuntahan dapat namin. Yan, kasi may mga tao doon niya ako. May sabihin niya. Diba? Private yun nila. Grabe, ang clear. Clear. I think over there, because kids are over there. Oh.
And there's rocks
So.
there, but look, you can step on those.
Ella, be careful, ha?
Dragonfly!
Oh my word!
There's two here.
Hala, may bata dragonfly
one on
over
you.
there.
That one over there was on you. Look, over there. That one
May
over
mga
there.
dragonfly.
Look at that. That one there was on you.
Hiya.
Whoa!
Careful.
I like this.
Ayun si tatay.
Can I go up there?
Don't do that. Because you're gonna hurt. You're gonna fall.
Then
Okay,
stop.
go there. Go there.
Keeps going.
Careful, ha? Wait, Ella. Wait. Uy. Nanay, hindi na kaya.
Mama, take a picture of him.
Hang on.
See that over.
Hiking kami. Ayan sila. 3 hours daw to. Ewan ko. Nakaka 3 hours kami. So far, okay pa naman yung likod ni tatay. Tapos nagpalit kami ng shoes ni Ella. Kasi nakaka-crocs kami kanina. Way of hiking. Walk lang talaga to. Hindi naman talaga totally hiking. Di ba pag hiking mataas? Ito hindi naman ganun kalala. May dala akong power bank. Just in case. Kita nyo? Doon kami galing sa may bandang taas. Nakita namin itong parang ano na to? Oasis ba tawag dyan? Basta, ang ganda dito. Ayun, ano kami kanina eh. Naglalakad kami doon, tapos bumaba kami dito dahil nakita na namin itong part na to. Ang ganda. Hi! Nice, no? Parang dito ata pwede ka mag-camping. I'm not sure. Ayun o, ayun yung yung batis. Batis, lawa, or what ifs ang tawag nyo. Ang tawag yan. Ganda. Napakaganda. Kita nyo ba? Grabe. Ano yung dalawa? Naiwan na ako. Naiwan nila ako. Doon kami galing. Ano yung dalawa? Ang iba na naman ako. Ano pa yan? Ano ba't sa syudad? Gubat, gubat. Gubat, gubat.
Wait for Mama.
Oh my goodness, grabe. Ow! Ow! Kailan ko?
Mama, hurry up. Daddy said we'll be here forever if we wait for you.
Ganda oh. Nice. Pare ko dito yung water dun oh. Yung ano. Yung anong tawag dyan. May ang ganda-ganda, grabe. Ayun yung tubig. Ayun oh. Ella! Hey! Ganda oh. Okay.
No, dragonfly! Why are there so many bugs? Are they wasps?
No, they're flies.
I saw a wasp.
Ooh.
It's just rocks.
Ella, stay there. Ella, look at me. You want one of that there? You want one there? I thought you want one over there. Ano, hindi daw ng tubig. You can just right past it. Just be careful. There you go.
Dada!
Go there. No, this way, baby. Go there. You can't go anywhere over there, you silly sausage. Ow! Bang my head. Hindi ko nakita yun. Thanks, tatay. Dito kami ni Ella.
Dada! Hi. Come down! I know, we just went down. We just went across it. They're burrowing.
Let's see if we can go out here.
Mama, they're burrowing bees.
Huh?
They're burrowing bees.
Oh. Oh, we can't. I don't think we can.
Oh, yes, we can.
Yeah, but not where Dada is probably. Oh, probably that way.
Okay.
You wanna check?
Yeah.
Balik na kami. Kasi wala namang kaming food, wala kaming tubig. Walang, oo. Eh kung 3 hours daw yan yung ilalakad mo papunta dun sa may kabila dun. Tapos babalik ka pa di 6 hours. Hindi ko alam kung pwede ka na dun umikot. I'm not sure. But anyways, hindi pa pwede. Kasi nga si Ella, wala kaming dalang kahit na anong wala kaming dalang mga first aid, ganyan. Iniwan ko doon sa kotse kasi akala ko hindi, wala talaga kaming balak na maglakad ng 3 oras. Kaya iniwan ko. Kailangan na namin bumalik. Kasi sana makaabot ako doon sa birthday ni Jessica. Gusto ko umabot sa birthday, sa birthday niya, pagka sa birthday niya. Ewan kung makakaabot kami. Kasi anong oras na. Kakain pa kami. Wala pa kaming lunch. So, wala kaming tubig, wala kaming food. Kaya, balik na lang kami. 3 hours. Kaya, yun. So, see you. Hanap kami ng kakainan. Babalik na kami sa kotse, tapos hahanap kami ng kakainan namin kasi anong oras na. Else 1:36, wala pa kaming lunch. Sa bagay, maano naman yung naging breakfast namin. Well, si tatay, kami ni Ella 2 itlog lang. Si Ella 2 itlog toast, ako naman 2 itlog at saka fried mushroom. So balikan na, okay? See you when I see you. Pak. Kikita nyo ba? Gubat sa syudad. Move over there. Can we pass, please, mister? Wait.
No.
Wait, I want to do what I want to do.
No, they might bite.
Might bite talaga. Oh my word. This is cool.
You can hear it.
That was funny. Another one here. More here. Look, they're in the middle of the road. Yeah, that's. Oh, hey. Hi.
No, I like this road.